fellow crafters, looking for uses for those old toys you've got lying around? We've got some pretty cool ideas for you. Be sure to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel and hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. Let's play! Mug. Here's a totally fun hack you can do with a squishy toy. First, cut the toy in half, like you see here. Sorry, kitty! Next, get a plain coffee mug, some water, and some acrylic paint. Dab your paintbrush in water and paint dots all the way around the top of the mug. Let's add a wavy design at the bottom too. Use your hot glue gun to glue your squishy toy to the side of the mug. Once the glue hardens, cut away the excess glue with an X-Acto knife. Next, glue the back of the toy to the back of the mug, following the same steps. Outline the toy with your paint to make it really pop out. Isn't this adorable? Letter. Got a bunch of little toys lying around? Try this hack. Line up your little toys in the shape of your favorite letter. Then hot glue them together. Glue Lego pieces to the back. You can use a ruler to make sure the letter is straight. Add fun little details to your letter. These can be little candies or Lego pieces. You can use just about anything you want. Check it out. A is for awesome. Diary. You can get a little notebook at the dollar store, but here's how to add a personal touch to it. First, cover the notebook with decorative paper. Measure and cut the paper to fit, and glue it onto the notebook cover. Cut it at the spine to make it fold over easily. Cut off that little extra piece at the spine of the notebook. Then glue the rest of the paper into place. We've still got some area to cover. Let's use decorative tape to add a cool design on the back. Mermaids make everything better. But you can use whatever you're into to decorate your diary. Use puffy letter stickers to put your name on your diary. Felt pom-poms and craft flowers make great decorations too. But hey, this is your diary, so get as creative as you want. Dear Diary. Lego Spice Rack. Here's a fun way to store your spices in the kitchen. Grab your Legos. Here we go. Glue the tops of the Lego pieces to the backs of your spice jars. Once the glue dries, grab a Lego board and attach the Legos on the spice bottles to the board. Attach your new spice board to your cabinet so you have them ready when you need them. Aroma lamp. Here's a hack you can do with your My Little Pony collection. We're going to turn these little ponies into a stand for this bowl. Glue the tails together like you see here. Add a little glue in the center to make sure they stick. Now, in a pretty glass bowl, add some sea salt and a bit of food coloring. Add a few drops of tea tree oil and stir it all together with a stirring stick. Place a votive candle in the center. Cover the sides of the candle with your salt mixture. Come here, little ponies, we've got a job for you. place the aroma bowl on top of the pony stand. Light your candle and enjoy the fragrance. Lego jewelry. Let's turn these little Lego pieces into earrings. Hot glue the Lego pieces together and attach another Lego on top. These can be interchangeable. Glue the earring stud to the bottom of the Lego pieces. Now let's make a necklace. Hold your Lego piece with a pair of pliers and carefully drill a hole in the side. Do this with several pieces. Then feed some clear bead string through the holes. You can make a bracelet with the smaller pieces too. There's no limit to the Lego combinations you can make. These jewelry pieces are super creative and fun. Barbie cupcake stand. For this, you'll want to use a bubble wand that's attached to a lid as your base. Glue on a bunch of felt pom-poms until it looks like this. Next, use a chenille stem to make a bow. Cut the ends off and place it on the handle. Now find a colorful plate and glue a pom-pom handle to the center of the plate. Hey Barbie, want to join us for a cupcake party? Place your Barbie on the plate and make sure she fits. Then glue her to the plate, like this. Barbie is going to hold up the pom-pom plate you made earlier. Just add a bit of glue to the top of Barbie's head and glue the plate on top. Now you've got a one-of-a-kind cupcake stand for your party. Thanks for the help, Barbie. Key holder. Don't you hate it when you can't find your keys in your bag? Here's a hack to solve that problem. First, lay your bag out flat on a table and grab a little toy, like this little guy. Cut a couple pieces of Velcro to fit the toy and glue them on. Glue a large piece to the toy, and glue the other side to the inside of your purse, near the opening. Place your key ring between the bunny's ears and Velcro the ears together. Then attach the bunny to the Velcro inside your purse. Your little friend will keep your keys right where you need them, so you'll never lose them again. Thanks, little buddy. Pet sofa. Want to make a sofa for your fur baby? Try using 2 pillows, like the one shown here. Cut 3 strips of Velcro and glue them onto the base pillow. Use a marker to mark where the Velcro goes on the top pillow. Glue the Velcro strips onto the pillow where you marked. Use tweezers to help with the application of the glue. Now all that's left to do is Velcro the 2 pillows together and watch your little furry friend get cozy. Your pet is gonna love it. Cosmetic bag. Let's put this little guy to work. First, glue a strip of Velcro to the belly of the stuffed animal. Glue the opposite side of the Velcro to your makeup bag. Velcro your stuffed animal to your makeup bag. Then add some Velcro to his paws. You can Velcro the paws together around the towel rack so he can hold your makeup bag for you. That's a pretty cute makeup companion. He likes to hang out and watch you do your makeup and nails. When you're done, just pull the bag off your pal and tuck it away. Thanks, little guy! We hope you enjoyed these life hacks with toys. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you next time!